Why install WordPress on a localhost server? When you install the WordPress CMS locally, the entire website is hosted on a localhost server. Instead of using the internet, the website connects to a local system via the loopback address network, hence the word local. A localhost WordPress website enables web developers and designers to test features before they are implemented on a live website. As a result, you may promptly correct any fault without compromising the user experience. This WordPress version can also help users who want to learn about web building. You can explore with a replica of a live site on your own computer without purchasing a hosting package or a domain. In 6 easy steps, install WordPress on localhost. A local WordPress site can be created using a variety of local server software solutions. XAMPP, the most popular cross-platform web server for PHP programming, will be used in this step-by-step tutorial. Install and run XAMPP on your computer. If you don't know how to install XAMPP, you can watch a previous video by following the link in description or by clicking the card icon in the upper right corner of this video. Run the application and set up the environment in the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL modules in the XAMPP control panel to complete the WordPress localhost installation. Install WordPress. The next step is to install WordPress after the server is up and running. Download the most recent WordPress version. Copy the downloaded WordPress file and paste it into the C drive by opening My Computer and going to the XAMPP folder. And pasting it into the HT Documents folder. Then unzip the zip file. To make web creation on the XAMPP server easier, we propose renaming the new folder with the name of your website. Build a local database. Return to your XAMPP control panel and click the MySQL modules admin button to activate phpMyAdmin, an administration tool for managing MySQL database. It will assist you in creating a local MySQL database for your new website. Navigate to the Databases tab and type the database name into the Create Database area. And click the Create button. Your new MySQL database should be visible in the web page's left sidebar. Set up WordPress on your localhost. Finish installing WordPress locally by using your browser to navigate to localhost/folder name. To build the localhost site, WordPress requires a set of details. Fill in the following database information. The name of the database that you established in phpMyAdmin. Enter root as the default username. Keep the default database host as localhost. Click Submit. Run the installation. Fill in the required information such as the site name and login credentials and then click the Install WordPress button. Check the local website you created. That's all, your local test site is now operational. To access the WordPress dashboard, navigate to localhost/foldername/wp-admin and enter the login credentials you created in the previous step. After logging in, you will get a welcome to the WordPress dashboard screen.